Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus if it's blurry or not working at all. Let's start with inspecting the camera lenses. Make sure that they are not cracked anywhere. You can use a flashlight to take a closer look at them, both from the front and from the back of your smartphone. Grab a microfiber cloth or a t-shirt, cotton t-shirt corner, and try to wipe the surface of your camera lenses. And if they seem clean, they will most probably not be blurry or show you any blurry images. Now, if we open the camera application, everything should be working fine. But if it's not, then what we can do is tap right here, go to camera settings, and restore defaults, which is the option at the bottom. If you tap on it and tap restore, everything should go back to normal. But if it's not returning back to normal, then maybe something is wrong with your camera application. Hold your finger down on it, tap App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and try to clear the cache of your camera, and also the storage. Then try relaunching the application, and see whether it's working. And if not, simply force restart your smartphone by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time until the screen of your device goes off. After that, your smartphone will relaunch, and you'll be able to check your camera once again. And if it's still not working, then you should reach out to TECNO's customer support service and maybe even get your device repaired in the certified service center. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.